Hey guys, I'm Melissa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 little habits that will instantly make you happier. Now, I am all about positive habits, and I just find that when you make something a part of your daily routine, it makes your life so much easier because it takes less willpower and motivation to get you to take action once something has become a habit and it's just natural for you. Now, the first habit that will make you happier is 5 minutes of meditative visualization. Meditative visualization is much like meditation, where you close your eyes, you calm your mind, you still your body, and you try to think of nothing. Once you get to that point, you then put yourself into a scene. And what I want you to do is I want you to pick a happy moment of your life, a moment where you felt calm, peaceful, like everything in the world was right and good in that moment. Maybe it was a really relaxing nature walk that you took, or maybe it was a moment on your vacation where you were walking on the beach with your feet in the sand and the waves were crashing and it just felt so peaceful and so right. Or maybe it was the moment that you fell in love. What you're going to do is you're going to get that moment in your mind and you're going to literally put yourself into that moment now. You're going to make it so that it feels so real. You'll find that when you do this, your body will get even more deeply relaxed. Visualize everything from that moment. Make it feel so real now. Think about how happy that moment felt for you. What did your body feel like? How relaxed did you feel? If you don't have a scene that you want to use, then create your own. Think of an ideal scene that would be so relaxing and just make you feel so at peace, so happy. What would that be? Close your eyes and put yourself there. Maybe it's your dream vacation. Maybe you would love to be walking around in Tuscany and see the rolling hills, and that is your ideal scene. Then put yourself there. Picture all of the sunflowers that you see and how relaxed you feel and that you have not a care in the world. Now, as you can imagine, if you do this every day for 5 minutes, especially in the morning, it can really put you in a great mood and it can really set you on the right path for that day. And so I highly recommend giving it a try. All right, on to the second habit for increased happiness. This one can also be done in 5 minutes, and it is to write out positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are statements about what you want to experience in your life, generally spoken or written out in the present tense, as though it's already here. For example, if you're really working on having confidence at work, and maybe that's something that you have been struggling with, but you just really want to be someone who can walk into the workplace and feel confident. You know, you want to be able to speak up in meetings more. Maybe you're a little bit on the shy side and you just want to feel your most confident self, and maybe you just want to be a bit more bold and express yourself confidently. Then you can spend that 5 minutes writing out an affirmation such as, "Today I feel confident, I feel my best, and I'm excited to do the work that I love." And you can just take that same sentence out and write it out 10 or 20 times. Now, this might seem repetitive, like why can't I just write it out once? Something about that repetition really causes your mind to focus on it. That's why advertisers repeat the same commercial over and over and over again, because they really want it to get stuck in our heads. Now, this is using that same idea in a positive way toward yourself. So take an ideal, something that you really want to be, do, or have, and turn it into an affirmation that is suited to your life. Another thing I like to do is when I'm getting ready, I'll look in the mirror and think my positive affirmations while I'm looking at my own eyes in the mirror. So I'll repeat it over and over and over again. Or if you like, you can even say them out loud. That can be very powerful as well. The third habit is to listen to something uplifting daily. This could be 10 minutes of a motivating TED Talk. TED Talks are online, they're free. You can find them on YouTube, and they are on a variety of topics by experts who are sharing their passion with the world and sharing so many positive ideas and things that you can implement in your own life. So I really love TED Talks. Also, I'm a huge fan of listening to motivating and inspiring audiobooks, which I listen to on Scribd and Audible, which I will link in the description box down below. And I love to do this while I'm walking. If you take 5 or 10 minutes to listen to a positive message every single day, you would be amazed at the difference it makes in how you feel. Doing this can really help you to develop a positive, optimistic outlook on life. You know how they say you become like the people you surround yourself with most? Well, maybe you feel like you don't really have anyone in your life who is motivating you and making you feel uplifted and encouraged. Well, audiobooks can be great for that because you don't necessarily have to know the person in order to be inspired and uplifted by them. The fourth habit is to really make an effort to show appreciation. If you took the time to really analyze how much of the good things that are in your life are a result of other people's generosity, kindness, and their actions, you would be amazed. Taking the time to actually think about the people in your life who have helped you, who are doing things out of their own kindness and generosity that is making a positive impact on your life. Taking the time to genuinely thank people for what they do for you can make them feel appreciated and loved, and it can also just make you feel so happy. Maybe there's someone who helped you at work and they didn't have to spend an hour of their time helping you. Instead of just quickly saying, "Oh, thanks for that," really take the time to appreciate them and make it known that you really appreciate what they're doing for you. Maybe you want to take them for coffee or buy them lunch just to show them that you care. Honestly, I think this is such a beautiful quality, and it's so easy to take things and people for granted. Take the time, take a moment to stop and genuinely thank someone for what they do for you, and this just feels so good, and it will definitely make you feel happy. Number 5 is the habit of taking the time to look your best. Now, this is not at all about vanity. It is about taking the time to show your best self to the world. This doesn't mean that you need to live up to other people's standards or present yourself in the same way that they do. It's actually more about showing yourself that respect. When you take the time to groom yourself and pick out an outfit that you feel great in and present yourself well, this can really make a big difference. When you look in the mirror and you see that, hey, I took the time to choose this nice outfit, or I took the time to learn how to do my makeup this way, and it can really have an impact on how you feel. Presenting your best self to the world is always a good idea. Number 6 is to get in the habit of using empowering words. Really pay attention to the words and the phrases that you're repetitively using because they can affect how you feel. If you find that you're constantly using phrases like, "Well, that's just my luck," or "Of course all of these bad things are happening to me," or "Bad stuff like this always happens," or "I don't know why I ever expected anything better." With words like that, you're literally putting out this energy of bad expectations for your life. You're putting out this low energy. You might feel like by saying these things it blows off some steam in the moment, but it doesn't really help you to create a positive mindset. One specific instance where you can start to practice using your words more positively, and this is when people compliment you. If you're in the habit of contradicting someone when they compliment you, for example, if someone says that your outfit is beautiful and you say, "Oh, really? I don't like this color on me. I just don't find it flattering," or "I was thinking of getting rid of this outfit," and you just keep telling them all of the reasons why you actually don't look very good right now. Instead of doing that, just learn to take the compliment and say thank you. Accepting compliments graciously by saying thank you is a great way to take control of the words that come out of your mouth. So the next time someone compliments you, maybe you'll remember this video and hopefully you just say thank you. And I want to thank you for watching. I really appreciate you subscribing to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button to be notified of my future uploads. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.